Welcome! Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you how you can open browser. So at first you have to grab your remote control and then tap on the home icon, on the home button. Next, when you are here, you have to scroll down on the right and find the web browser. So there it is, just tap OK to enter. And as you can see, here we are. And we can enter for the website. I'm going to input address of our website, HardReset.Info. So be sure that you enter this website. You can find here a lot of good stuff, a lot of tutorials, guides and other things. And that's it. So right now we can check things on this website. For example, you can find the most popular devices like Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, and here we can find a lot of options. Like you can even check the place where you can find this, where you can buy this phone, and of course we can make it by going for the Amazon. So if you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.